Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have this little magnetic hand, and let me just, so that's everything that you get in a box. So it has this little clamp down arm on it, and it has this articulated magnetic arm. And I primarily got this for, I'm doing some like dent removal, and I needed a articulate arm that I could basically, that was magnetic. Give you an idea. So that is magnetic. So that had a magnetic base that I could set up a heat gun for. And let me just make sure I get this set in the right end here. So we can kind of screw that down. And then we can lock that into place. This will lock that down, and then lock that bottom base down. So yeah, I mean, that gives you a lot of flexibility, articulation, and then with the magnetic base, it'll hold whatever you need down into place, and then to give you an idea of how far these jaws will open up. So that gives you about 2¼ inches. Roughly. So it's a pretty wide opening. Like I said, magnetic, so that is pretty awesome. And so if I had to sit on my car hood holding a heat gun, it definitely holds it into place. Or if you're doing a soldering job and you need to put some precise heat somewhere, you know that you can tighten the jaws down on your little heat gun or soldering iron or whatever you're using. And then like even a light, if you need an extra hand to like hold that light onto a subject. But yeah, so that is your articulate helping hand. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching it, and be safe out there.